Hello friends, dear students. A hearty welcome to you all in standard 11th. It is indeed a very special beginning for you. Today we are going to learn our second lesson. On to the summit, we reach the top. But before going through the lesson, we have to see icebreakers. But students, there is one question in your mind. What is an icebreaker? Students, an icebreaker is an activity to welcome and warm up the conversation among the students. Okay? Now let's see our first activity. Discuss with your partner and complete the web of different activities related to climbing. Means students, here you have to write activities which are related to climbing. For example, paragliding, hill walking, rock climbing, mountaineering, horse trekking, etc. Students, you also think about other activities related to climbing and complete the web. Okay, got it? Now let's see our next activity. There are certain prerequisites for mountaineering with reference to the following points. Develop a short dialogue between you and your friend about mountaineering. Means develop a dialogue between you and your friend about mountaineering. But while you will develop a dialogue, you have to include the following points. And your points are time, then distance, third, equipment, fourth, mental and physical fitness, fifth, clothes and training. Okay? Now let's see our third activity. Discuss with your partner the various hazards and risks that a mountaineer or trekker has to face in an expedition. Means students, you have to write down the problems while mountaineer or trekker face during their climbing, such as to keep safe from falling rocks or slopes. Second, wounds caused by falling down. Third, survive in low oxygen area. Then fourth, tolerate hunger. Fifth, bad weather or storm. These are the problems. Here, students, we have completed our icebreakers. Now, let's go through the lesson. First, see the title of the lesson. On to the summit, we reach the top. Students, summit means the highest point of a mountain. In this lesson, Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing Norgay become the first explorers to reach the summit of Mount Everest, which at more than 29,000 feet above sea level is the highest point on earth. Really, climbing was exciting and adventurous. Hillary and Tenzing completed the task with a lot of determination. बघा विद्यार्थ्यांनो, हा लेसन म्हणजे जगातील सर्वोच्च शिखर सर करणाऱ्या एडमंड हिलरी व तेन्झिंग नॉर्गे यांच्या साहसाची यशोगाथा आहे. स्टुडंट्स, लेट्स सी अबाउट तेन्झिंग नॉर्गे. Tenzing Norgay, known by birth as Namgyal Wangdi and often referred to as Sherpa Tenzing, was a Nepali Indian Sherpa mountaineer. He was one of the first two individuals known to reach the summit of Mount Everest, which he accomplished with Edmund Hillary on 29th May 1953. He was honored with Tiger Medal in 1938, Star of Nepal in 1953, and Padma Bhushan in 1959. Now students, before going through the lesson, we have to see hard words. First, शेर्पा. शेर्पा म्हणजे हिमालयातील बर्फाळ भागातील एक प्रसिद्ध जात आणि हे लोक गिर्यारोहकांना मार्गदर्शन करतात. देन सेकंड वर्ड, अल्टरनेटेड मीन्स चेंजिंग प्लेसेस. देन कर्नल मीन्स कमांडर ऑफ रेजिमेंट, रेजिमेंटचे अधिकारी. देन नेक्स्ट, एक्सपेडिशन मीन्स पर्पजफुल जर्नी म्हणजे मोहीम किंवा अभियान. नाउ स्टुडंट्स, फर्स्ट आय विल रीड द लेसन and listen it carefully. On to the summit, we reached the top. When we left Camp 9 on Friday morning, I was determined to get to the top on this day. That morning, I remember thinking I was to get to the top even if I die. I was not afraid to die that day. We set out early and all the way from Camp 9 to the peak we alternated. I would take the lead and then Hillary. The man who follows when climbing has a difficult job both in climbing up and climbing down. He is the anchor. The man going in the lead cuts the steps and breaks the way. Students, here we see the spirit of Tenzing Norgay. He was not afraid of his death because he has set his goal, and his goal was to reach on to the top of the mountain. So he ignores his death also. See how positive attitude he was. Edmund Hillary was his companion, and Tenzing was giving the safety to Edmund. Now see the next para. In my pocket I had 4 flags. When we were still at Camp 4, Colonel Hunt gave me 3 flags, those of Britain, the United Nations and Nepal. He charged me with the duty of planting them on the top of the world. These 3 flags are in your care, he said. When you and Hillary reach the top, put them at the peak. I'm sure that you and Hillary are going to do it. I told Colonel Hunt that I was carrying the Indian flag with me and I would like to be on the top with the other flags. I had to ask Colonel Hunt's permission in his capacity as leader of the expedition. See students, in this para there is one line, I'm sure that you and Hillary are going to do it. It is an inspirational or motivational sentence by Colonel Hunt. Through this sentence, Colonel Hunt inspires his companions, and as leader of the expedition, it was his moral duty to encourage his companions. बघा विद्यार्थ्यांनो, या टॉपिकमध्ये तेन्झिंग नॉर्गे हे पूर्ण निश्चयाने एव्हरेस्ट शिखर सर करण्यासाठी एडमंड हिलरीसह निघाले होते. समोर मृत्यू जरी आला तरीही न डगमगता शिखर सर करण्याचा आत्मविश्वास त्यांना जाणवत होता. या संपूर्ण मोहिमेचं नेतृत्व करणाऱ्या कर्नल हंटने सुद्धा तुम्ही शिखर सर करणार असा दृढ विश्वास व्यक्त केला. शिखरावर पोहोचल्यावर भारतासह 3ही देशांचे झेंडे फडकविण्यासाठी त्यांनी सोबत घेतलेले होते. नाउ स्टुडंट्स, हियर मे बी अ क्वेश्चन लाईक दिस. Explain the patriotic quality of Tenzing. And your answer may be like this. I told Colonel Hunt that I was carrying the Indian flag with me and I would like to be on the top with the other flags. This line shows the patriotic quality of Tenzing Norgay. Then next question. Complete the web. In the boxes, you have to write down name of the nation. Tenzing Norgay had flags of. It is given to you and you have to write down the name of the nations in other boxes. Okay students, we will see the remaining part of the lesson in next video. Thank you.